check. Make sure you're on the bottom. You're gonna close it up. That's it right there. Coming over another reef now. On this one. Number 5 had a lot of fish on it. Remember that? Yeah. What kind of fish each one of them? They always set up on like a particular one. I don't know why. I think it's because of current, maybe. But they're normally on one. Again, I don't see a ton of fish and bait. Sometimes the ones with not a lot of fish have pretty big fish on them.
Water catfish, huh?
I've never ever caught a catfish. I'm serious. There you go. You just got bit.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's about that.
Yeah.
But only one.
Yeah, as soon as they bite, lift up. Yeah, only one. Here we go. We're getting over another reef now. But you kind of just, it's funny how like you'll get smashed, and then you go in between reefs and there's like nothing, like, and then all of a sudden you come to the next one, bite. Kind of weird. Not so much on this reef either.
Alright, jellyfish attacking the line.
Jellyfish attacking the line. Yeah, we're almost at the end, so we're going to do a bait check and then reposition anyway.
Can't believe it. 2 catfishes in a row. You've never caught a catfish?
Not on this place. I mean, I've caught catfish before, but
Oh, yeah.
not here.
Oh, one's gone.
Really?
I got one.
Oh, they got you. They got you.
They got me good. On that one tug, he got it.
Oh yeah, they'll get it off one clean. It's kind of crazy. We got some squid, some bonita. We got all sorts of bait. I'm dropping this one next. What's that?
You got squid?
Got some squid. Alright, let's go reposition some bonita strip. This stuff's candy. Alright, you ready? Reposition. it now, so. You on the bottom?
I reeled up like once or twice. I'm just checking my head filter. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah. Different drift path this time. Yeah, we might miss it. We'll see. I got it for the next time. I think we're gonna miss it on this one. We'll miss all of them, I should say. See, this would be good though. We're checking number 2. Number 5 had fish. We passed over number 1 had fish as well. We're gonna go over 2 directly this time, so that's good. So we'll get to check number 2. But I think they're gonna be on the shallower side. It's kind of weird. Maybe they're on the deep side.
Right on them, buddy. What the hell is that?
What?
The dolphin.
Dolphin, yeah. Well, that's why there's no fish here. That's why they shut down. Darn dolphin.
Are we about to get attacked by dolphins?
They'll come right up to the boat. Yeah, look at them right there. They're gonna come right up to. I told you they play with us. They'll be 4 feet under the boat.
No,
Here they come. Drop these down to the bottom. That's good.
These dolphins stink.
They scared everything away.
And then they didn't even come for us.
No, they didn't even stick around. Gotta be something down there. Big fish or dolphins or something. Fish ain't playing. There you go. Reel. There you go. That looks like a good one.
Oh my!
What do you got? Did he come off? No.
A stingray? A flounder.
Is it? Yeah. Oh, that's a good flounder. Oh, look at your dolphin. That's a stud flounder. Here. Alright, yeah, don't flip it. Yeah, there you go. Nice catch, dude.
And then my dolphin came right at him.
Come here. I knew there was fish around. The stinging dolphins were waiting because they'll eat the fish off your line.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
He was waiting.
Yeah, that's why. I told you there's a ton of fish down there. I was like, why are they not? They normally trace. If there's nothing around, it's nonstop.
Okay.
That's a big dolphin.
That is so cool.
Yeah, we'll see. We might see a sea turtle come up here. Isn't it neat?
Oh yeah. You got your phone?
Yeah, I do.
I want to picture with my flounder.
You want to get him back? Oh, you can get him out here. Let's see. Let's do this. Here, put that in the rod holder, and then so it's not swinging around anybody. And then I will do that.
What do you need?
Can you grab those fish grips right there? The things in between the rod holders. Yep, right there. Open it up. They got lots of teeth.
They're so goofy looking.
Aren't they weird? Have you ever caught a flounder? Alright, you dumb fish, open your mouth. It knows. Just hold on to that. Yeah, you can loop that band around your wrist as well. You want it on your phone or my phone?
Your phone, because I'm recording right now.
Oh, okay.
If that's easy.
That's a good one. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
My big bait.
Can I not zoom out in portrait mode?
No.
Yeah, push away a little bit. Darn dolphiner. Here, I'm gonna come back around.
Oh. Easy now.
What?
He's getting squirmy. I said easy now.
Oh, he ain't going anywhere. Alright, look at me. Hold him out in front of you too, makes him look bigger. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, 1, 2. Got a few.
Sweet.
Nice. Good catch. That's a good one. Did you hit it hard?
Oh yeah. Yeah. And then I had to
You were
replay.
like, oh.
I was like, yeah. I was like, you ain't getting away. I just want a dolphin to come right up to my kayak. When's best fishing month?
For what kind?
Anything. Like I don't.
Year round, it change. Certain species change year round. I would say generally like good numbers fishing, best in the summertime when the water's warm.
Gotcha.
But you can catch fish year round, like I said. There's always fish out here. Here, stop real quick. Go ahead. might drop right here. There's a lot of fish on this creek. I kind of want to see. There's some big ones.
Come to Papa.
They're smart. Dolphins are really smart.
Oh yeah. They're saying they're the closest animal to us.
In terms of what, intelligence?
Yeah.
I believe it. You on the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty close. You getting bit?
Thought I was.
Think, is he? But, well, hold on. Not there. Keep your rod over the side. There you go. Is he still on?
Yep.
Okay.
You're mine. Oh, another flounder.
Another flounder? A big one?
No, just a. Oh no.
Triggerfish. That's a triggerfish. Watch out, they'll take a chunk out of you.
I see his little teeth. Oh, that's the human teeth one.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'll show you something cool here. You want to see something cool?
Yeah.
Grab this thing. So if you want to try and push this down, try and push that down. You can let go of that. Yeah, you can. Can't push it down?
No.
You know why I'm calling them triggerfish?
Why? What?
If you push this one down, it pulls the trigger. But here, locked. Triggerfish. That's why I call them triggerfish. Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's your first trigger?
Oh yeah.
These are good eating too, but this one's too small.
Really?
Yeah, you gotta be like, it's like 16 inches to the fork of the tail. And he's probably about out of bait.
Yeah.
Do you need me to cut you more, or do you have
No,
enough
I got
for
some.
a couple more drops? I've got plenty. All right, number 5. Number 5 is where we're fishing. I bet you they took my bait.
I'm out here catching them all, huh?
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going for the big one. When I hook up Trace, you'll hear me.
I bet.
Oh no, my bait's still here. That's good. All right, let's get back to number 5. Oh, we chummed them up. Chum and they will come. Fun? Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, fishing's fun as long as you catch something. If I'm out here all day without a nibble, I'm going to be bored.
Trace, now that you've been meeting with me a couple times, I'm not a fisherman.
Yeah.
I'm a catcher.
Please.
I agree though, it's way better. That's why I'm all about like technology.
Yeah.
Because like if you can go out and catch, that's gonna be way more of a pleasurable experience than you just not catching anything.
Oh, yeah.
And when you're fishing blind, oftentimes it's 50-50 luck whether you're gonna catch them or not. You know where they could be, but you don't know if they're actually there.
Yeah.
Oh, we're back over it. Slow down. Go ahead, drop. Straight down. Oh boy. Got him? What do you got?
I don't know. It's been stuck. There we go.
What is it?
Freaking catfish.
Alright, cool. I hate this.
Not what I want to catch. Now he just ate one of my baits.
This is the worst one. There you go.
Little bait thief.
Bait back up.
No.
Drop her down. Can't believe I ain't.
Nothing.
No, I don't want to take it. That's okay. Like I said, I'm gonna catch one big one. That's all I'm going for. One big one. Drop it back down. They're all over the place. Go catch us another. Catch us a red snapper. That'd be pretty neat. You ever caught a red snapper?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's see if we can't get you. Yeah, I have no bait. But I hold on to your rod. Yeah, pull it right out of that.
It's in my back.
In your back?
In my back, reaching the material.
Oh, really?
There we go.
Look up. There you go. What were you waiting on there? No, wait, hold on. Is he still there? Here, reel like a real person. There he is. That's a big one. I got a big one. I got a big one. Oh, fuck, I got a big one. Trace. Oh, look at.
I got 2 for the price of 1.
Dude, I got a big one.
What do I do with this? Just leave it?
Hold on. Dude, I got a tank.
Hold on.
Whatever this is a tank. I told you. What'd I tell you?
Here, I want to try to catch you. I'll get the pliers and try to get these off.
Okay. What do you think I got?
What are my options?
Red snapper? Is this either going to be a snapper or a grouper?
Oh, grouper I feel like would be breaking your pole more than that. I'm gonna go with a snapper.
No, I wouldn't.
Really?
Pulling me.
I'm trying to catch you.
Oh my gosh. Here's those.
You're good.
Dude, whatever this is big. It's dragging me. Look at this.
Oh, he swallowed the whole hook.
He did?
Yep.
Here, don't worry about it.
They don't got teeth, right?
No, they don't. Just don't lose. Try not to lose that hook because I didn't bring an extra small hook.
That mother trucker. Here. Oh, they both did.
Red snapper.
Yeah?
Alfonso. Here, just leave them in the water and bring them to me and I'll work on them.
I'm coming.
You see how big it is?
I haven't seen him yet. Holy moly. That's good eating.
Oh yeah, that's really good. What did I tell you I was going to catch the big one?
Huh?
Mine ate like a hammer.
Oh, yeah.
It ate and just pulled down, and I was just like, holding on. You're like, guys, I gotta make one. Getting bit again? Just shaking. Pass number 4. We've got a catfish, a triggerfish, a flounder, and a red snapper. Pretty good mixed bag so far.
We're gonna catch all species. Dolphins.
Isn't that weird how the dolphins leave and the fish start biting again?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, grouper. Dude, the groupers will wreck you.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
We caught a 400-pounder.
The Goliath grouper.
Yeah, when we were out DC fishing in the Keys.
On a rod and reel or hand line?
Rod and reel.
fish on the other one. Normally there's fish on other ones. There's only, I think we fished all of them. The only fish that are on number 5.
The only ones that are biting.
Yeah, the only ones that are biting, I guess. 'Cause we told them that. I got my bait. See at number 5. Ever heard of battle boats?
Little jellyfish.
What's that?
Little jellyfish.
Oh yeah.
That one sting?
No. Bit?
No.
Is it again?
I keep getting bit.
Hey, reel it up and come over here. Take your bait?
Oh, it's hanging on by a thread.
No.
Yeah. This thing's mangled. Something had it good. I'm just gonna rehook this one. See?
Something had it good.
Oh yeah. Like that's like mangled.
What?
It's like nothing left. It's like the skin.
Throw a new one on there.
Whatever had that one had teeth.
Really?
Yeah. I'm telling you, that thing was mangled. It like ate the insides, left the skin. No? I'm not getting any nibbles anymore. You got fish?
Yeah, drop right here.
Nothing.
Pass over one here. Would agree. We're gonna go fish the out deep ones next. To see if there's anything out there. And we'll hit 5 again. Nothing there. Alright, let's get out of here. You getting bit at all or no?
Feel like a tiny, like,
Okay.
oh.
No, let it go down the bottom. Wait till a big touch. Wait, hold on. Wait. Go down the bottom.
I should put a GoPro on the line.
Can you imagine
Right above the hook.
how the fish is looking at it? Alright, reel him up.
My bait's gonna be gone.
Yeah, it may be.
No, one's on there. We got the other one.
Yeah.
They were working on the...
They were working on it for
Dude! Same thing. They left like the skin.
put a new one on there.
That bugger's getting me good.
They won't even eat mine. That's alright, I'm going for the big one.